Not only did the ancient Egyptians build enormous monuments for their pharaohs, but they also created hidden underground mausoleums. This area, known as the Valley of the Kings, sits on the west banks of the Nile River, across from the ancient city of Thebes, now known as Luxor.
Valley of the Kings.
The ancient Egyptians lived on the east bank of the Nile and considered the west bank with the dead, since that's where the setting sun died each day. So this was the perfect site to turn into an underground mausoleum. The valley became a royal burial ground for pharaohs such as King Tutankhamun and Ramses II, as well as queens and high priests from the 18th through the 20th dynasties. These tombs were created to prepare for the next worlds. The pharaohs were expected to become one with the gods, so their bodies were mummified, so their souls would have the same body to come back to in the afterlife. So the underground tombs were stocked with everything the king would need in the next life, including clothing, furniture, jewelry, food, and beer and wine. To escape the crowds, and to get a stunning view of the valley below, Lance and I climbed up to the highest tomb we could find, that of King Thutmose IV. The climb was arduous and hot, but once we descended into the depths of the tomb, the temperature cooled off significantly.
Steep steps too, very steep. It's almost like a ladder.
We're descending deep into the mountain right now to King Thutmose IV's tomb. The length of this particular cemetery is 106 meters. That's 347 feet.
This is behind some plexiglass in here. Some of them are not. Oh, here's his tomb. You have to be in shape to come on this one. Way up high on the mountain. Lots of steps just to get to the entrance of the tomb, and then it goes way down into here. But it's so much cooler in here. It's very nice. What goes down must go back up. Woo-wee!
Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel.